Namaste, I'm Saakshi Desai here to present before you on the topic Lean Methodology. What is Lean Methodology? Lean manufacturing is a method of manufacturing industries for minimization of waste within manufacturing system without sacrificing the productivity. Management encourages responsibility and shared leadership among the workers and also improves working processes and purposes of people. As I mentioned earlier, lean methodology means to remove the waste from industries and to make working more smoother. Some of them are listed here: defects, overproduction, waiting, unused talent, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing. There are 5 principles of lean methodology. First, to define value. Second, to map the value stream. Third, to create the flow. Fourth, to create a pull system. And fifth, to create a continuous system. First, define value. The value lies in the problem you are trying to solve for the consumer. More specifically, in the part of solution that your customer is actively willing to play. Any other activity or process that doesn't bring value to the end product is considered a waste. Second, value stream mapping. This is the point where you literally need to map the workflow of your company. It has to include all actions and people involved in the process. By doing so, you'll be able to identify what parts of process bring no value. Applying the lean principle of value stream mapping will show you where a value is being generated and in what proportion different parts of the processes do or do not produce a processing value. Number 3. Create flow. Developing a product or service will often include a cross-functional teamwork. Bottlenecks and interruptions may appear at any time. However, by breaking up work into smaller batches and visualizing the workflow, you will be able to easily detect and remove processes wrong blocks. Number 4. Create a pull system. Having a stable workflow is a guarantee that your teams can deliver work tasks much faster with less effort. However, in order to secure the stable workflow, make sure to create a pull system. In such a system, the work is pulled only if there is demand for it. This lets you optimize resources capacity and deliver product services only if there is actual need. Number 5. The most important one: continuous system. Remember, your system is not isolated and static. Problems may occur at any of the previous steps. This is why you need to make sure that employees on every level are involved in continuously improving the process. There are many different techniques to encourage continuous improvement. Find an easy way for process improvements on daily basis. There are the 5 basic rules of lean manufacturing. First, set in order. Second, shine. Third, standardize. Fourth, sustain. And fifth, sort. Benefits of lean methodology. First, focus. You will be able to reduce waste activities. Therefore, your workforce will be focused on activities that bring value. Improving productivity and efficiency. More productive and efficient workers won't be distracted by unclear tasks. Smarter processes. To deliver work only if there is actual demand, which leads to the next one. Better use of resources. Use only as many resources as needed, which will in turn help conserve the resources.